Jesus. Ow, to you too.
You get him?
No.
Jason's cat.
Don't care. Go away. You can find your way home.
You get him?
I think the animal's got fleas, so don't touch it.
Picked up. Know what you're doing.
Okay. Cat wanted to run out. Christine and Carmen are so.
Get that cat out of here. Get!
Jason's cat.
I don't care. Cat don't belong here.
Cute. I just realized Carmen and Christine are riding to Big Y. Oh, hi. To the kids.
No.
Next door.
You want to get scratched? That you don't know if that cat's got its shots. Hope you like fleas.
Don't get wet, Doris.
The cat's gonna rip you a new one. I told you so.
I just say let it just chill up here.
Open that. See that window will open and let the cat open. Oh, you don't know how to open nothing. Go get Josh. Tell him the window needs to be open as cats.
I don't have scratch.
What did he? I didn't tell you the. Go inside.
Oh. That was good.
Oh, I got it. Get out of here, fucker! It went and scratched. It hit me in the ear with its paw.
Not turning touches.
I don't care, okay? If you don't like it, go complain to the animal rights people.
Not turning into a downright, like, downpour.
I don't care where it went. Bastards.
Yeah, AJ, we're kind of stuck over here.
You do me a favor. Well, that's pulse lightning. That's not a good thing.
Go, Tiny, go, 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 go.
Matt, go up and shut the office window. Yeah, take the fan out.
Take the fan out?
Yeah, AJ, you're going with Uncle Matty, okay?
We're going upstairs.
You get to see a kitty cat like your kitten. I don't care. Bastard scratched me in the fucking ear. What am I supposed to do? Allow it to keep doing it? Probably went run into the house anyways. I don't care. Get off of me.
blocked right up. I'm going to give them a few minutes to see if they stop traffic and let me go the other way. Otherwise, I'm just going to have to sit ways out.
The window's shut?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Whoa! Shit, I just got that one.
Yeah, of course, I missed it.
It was a classic straight down bolt.
Cloud the ground?
Cloud the ground. I wish it was that. Just a freaking GE property. Boy, that would have been cool.
We had the chance to get over there, but
Yeah.
decided to stay here. Of course.
Just enjoying the fireworks. What was that? I hit my phone's for business only. Come on, give me another freaking cloud to ground, or cloud to cloud would even be better.
How you doing, Keller?
Dropping off in a minute. We got
Hillcrest Commons in the rear.
right.
Yeah, once it stops, you realize it's going to get hot.
I wouldn't jump the gun yet about that. Oh, did I? That bastard hit one block over.